Radio remote control is the most modern type of crane control. It enables the crane operator to select the best working position in each case, and also allows him to attach the load himself. The control panel contains all the functions required for normal crane operation. Various types and sizes of transmitters are available. On request, special functions such as remotely controlled supports or spotlights can be added. After radio operation have been selected on the crane by means of the key-operated switch, the control system is started by releasing the emergency off button and by pressing the start button. The red control light indicates the operation of the transmitter. If the light flashes, the battery of the transmitter is low. The system can only be started if all control levers are in neutral position. If the display panel is fitted with a Paltronic feedback module, the control levers must not be moved until the OLP light flashes. According to customer requirements, linear levers or joystick levers can be used for controlling the crane movements. These are designed to be fully proportional in each case and facilitate sensitive control of the crane. In addition, by operating the micro button, the maximum speed can be reduced and increased in stages. The green LED indicates the currently reduced operating speed by flashing accordingly. If any danger occurs, the display panel can be deactivated immediately in any working position by operating the emergency off button. All crane functions then come to a halt. This button is also used to switch off the transmitter when the crane work has been completed. The transmitter deactivates automatically if no function has been operated for the last 5 minutes. The transmitter is activated again by operating the on button. If any radio interference is encountered, the frequency can be changed by pressing the start button twice. This could be necessary if frequency interference is caused by other devices working on the construction site. If for any reason radio operation is not possible or is not permitted, the crane can be operated using the umbilical cable provided without sending a radio signal. For maintenance purposes, the digital status code of the receiver provides important information for the service technician on site. If service support is necessary, this code is useful for the service technician.